morning fam, how are you doing? Welcome to my Fitness Friday. Today is Thursday and I'm going to share with you some of the things that I usually do on Thursday. And Thursday is usually my total core ab workout. Does that make sense? Like yesterday was my leg day and I'm actually in pain right now. Like my thighs are really hurting, like my thighs especially and my ass. Yes. So but we still have to do these things, like we have to work out. If I sit and not work out, I'll just be entertaining the pain. So I have to at least, do some workout today and stretch these muscles. So we're gonna start with the warm-up as usual, but my warm-up today is going to be all on the mat. Like I'm going to do stretches on the mat and just try and stretch this body because I'm really in pain, and it's something that of course comes with the workout. You have to, before your muscles get used to it, you have to feel the pain. But I don't know if muscles ever get used to workouts. Maybe, I don't know. So anyway, let me cut the talking and let's do some stretches. Of course, I hope you have your mat with you, your exercise mat with you, and at least a bottle of water because I have mine close. You really do need it. So let's do the stretches.
It's time to quit while we're ahead. Don't think like that. I will love you endlessly. If you don't believe, don't you be like that. I will love you forever. If you don't believe in me, yeah.
You couldn't be with anyone. I couldn't be with anyone. You're here with me. You're here with me. You could be around, but
You could be with anyone.
couldn't be with anyone. I couldn't be with anyone. You're here with me. You're here with me. You could be around.
You could be with anyone. I could be with anyone. You're here with me. You're here with me.
So that's going to be it today. For the warm-up, we're going to go into the real workout, which is total core ab workout. We're going to do 6 different workouts, and those 6 different workouts we'll be doing 20 of each. And after we're done with the first set of 20, we're going to repeat them again. So in total, we'll be able to do 40 workouts of each. Some are going to be double, but just follow the way I'm going to do them. That's how you're supposed to do them.
I need to know if you'll give me a second chance. They don't come around often, but please, you know I can't stand it when you don't talk to me. When you don't talk to me, yeah. There's something inside, yeah, there's something inside that brings me back to you, yeah. No, I can't hide it. No, I can't hide it anymore. you off my mind, and I know it's true, and I'll say this to you, I want you back. There's something inside, yeah, there's something inside that brings me back to you, yeah. No, I can't hide it, no, I can't hide it anymore. Something inside, something inside. Oh, oh, oh. Something inside, yeah, there's something inside that brings me back to you, yeah. No, I can't hide it, no, I can't hide it anymore.
You get your back. But this ones we shall do 10. Do like 10 on both sides. So let's do it, guys. Opposite hand touches opposite leg.
Took a swing at a wrecking ball and I prayed for my downfall, and I found a way to reconcile, 'cause in my heart it's not worthwhile. It's a bloody battlefield where some go down, others heal. In the end it's all the same. All you can do is play the game. Oh, do we say goodbye? Refuse to question why. I'd be sad to say I'm sorry, so lie, pretend that you're okay, swear that you will stay, keep trying for one day. I'm sick of all these lies, don't care if I capsize. There's nothing left for me to hide, don't wanna live a lie. Too many lows, too many highs, too many things to criticize, and so I leave it all behind. Don't wanna live a lie. Life kept spitting at my feet and forced me down a dead-end street when
So this is going to be our last workout, and then we repeat the whole sequence. Cool?
nothing left for me to hide. Don't wanna live a lie. Too many lows, too many highs, too many things to criticize, and so I leave it all behind. Don't wanna live a lie. Life kept spitting at my feet and forced me down a dead-end street when all I had went up in flames, burning only dark remains. I cover up every part of my skin, oh, 'cause I don't like the person within, oh. I know I'm the one to blame. All I can do is take the shame, oh. Do we say goodbye? refuse to question why. I'm too sad to say I'm sorry, so lie and pretend that you're okay. Swear that you will stay. Keep trying for one day. Whoa, I'm sick of all these lies. Don't care if I capsize. There's nothing left for me to hide. Don't wanna live a lie. Too many lows, too many highs. Too many things to criticize. So I leave it all behind. Don't wanna live a lie. Sick of all these lies. Don't care if I capsize. Oh no.
I need to know if you'll give me a second chance. They don't come around often, but please, you know I can't stand it when you don't talk to me. When you don't talk to me, yeah. There's something inside, yeah, there's something inside that brings me back to you, yeah. No, I can't hide it. No, I can't hide it anymore. Seem to get you off my mind, and I know it's true, and I'll say this to you, I want you back. There's something inside, yeah, there's something inside that brings me back to you, yeah. No, I can't hide it. No, I can't hide it anymore. Say this to you, I want you back. There's something inside, yeah, there's something inside that brings me back to you, yeah. No, I can't hide it. No, I can't hide it anymore.
It's time to quit while we're ahead. Don't think like that. I will love you endlessly. If you don't believe, don't you be like that. I will love you forever. If you don't believe in me, yeah.
You could be with anyone, I could be with anyone. You're here with me. You're here with me. You could be around, but
You could be with anyone. I could be with anyone. You're here with me. You're here with me. You could be around, but you could be with anyone. I could be with anyone. You're here with me. You're here with me.
you could be around, but
You could be with anyone. I could be with anyone. You're here with me. You're here with me.
Guys, I'm gonna end this video over here. That's it for today. Thank you so much for joining, and yeah, thank you so much. I think I'm actually feeling better, like in terms of my thighs. And yeah, sometimes it's just good to, in Swahili they say dawa ya moto ni moto. So if you're having pain after workout, the only cure is continue doing the workout. So yeah, so that is really good thing. And yeah, I'm feeling better. So thank you so much for watching, guys. If you like this particular video, or if you enjoy working out with me, thumbs up. And until next Friday, kisses.